Alright, so we're going to change Mom's Honda, or change the oil on our Honda. Courtney's going to teach me how to because I don't know what I'm doing. Fashion bitches! Put the oil in. Oh, I thought that's where you put that stuff that comes out of your windshield wipers. Oh yeah, duh. This is this little thingy. Alright, now let's get under the car. Alright, so this is the oil filter. This is where your oil drain thing I just poked in my eye. This is where the oil is going to come out. I need a doohickey. I'll get you one. Laying on gravel. I don't know why men complain about this. This feels really good laying on gravel. Oh, God, it came? Yeah, I got it. Oh, yes. Alright, it's going to be hot, so just be careful. Watch your eyes. Alright. She's going to splatter. Just watch your arm. Oh, it's starting to drip. Okay. Got it. Does that hurt? I thought it was going to be like hot. That's good. Are you sure it's not? Yeah. Because kind of helps. Now we let it drain. Okay, good, good. And I mean, this would be the time where I have my shop cloths, shop paper towel. Some anything? Yeah. I have a hose. We'll get that going for you. Ooh, her oil stinks. Oh, it smells so good. That's bad. All right. Make sure you look for metal pieces in it too. Why? So bad. Oh, well, it's not my car. Oh, yeah, that's true. We love you, Mom. You still have to call to change your oil. Because we're so thoughtful. Mm-hmm. Damn, look at that. Those muscles when you did that. Oh, my ass. I think we need a tool. It's freaking tighter than a nun. Yuck. Okay, you've been hanging out with Mark too much. Tighter than a nun. None are secretly lovers of God. Oh, shit. She's hotter than a sweating horse. Okay, stop. Oh, sit. Oh, sit. No, just give me a second. It's really hard. Alright. Alright, guys, ready? It's gonna come out. Okay, be careful. If you have to. I'm thinking next time we should just pay someone. God, no. It's like $100. And then they want to tell you need all these new fucking parts. How much does it cost for oil and a filter? Ooh. Wetter than a whore on church on Sunday. You hang out with Mark too much, you nasty. Whoa! She's the squirter! Oh. Oh. Are you gonna loop this? No, we don't want to. Yeah. It's too tight. It doesn't need to be so fucking tight. Alright. That's good. And then you're gonna grab some of your old oil. Okay. Make sure there's no rocks in it. And you're just gonna lube the rim. Sounds great. The easy part's probably putting the oil in the top, huh? Yeah, I mean, it's all pretty easy as long as everything comes off good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Next time I think we should pay someone. No. Yeah, no. God, don't lose that. Piggy? Bye. Oh, like, comment, subscribe.